Okay, this video is going to show you how to use arguments or parameters with dynamic DLL. We're going to do a little bit, we're going to pick up right here where we left off with our sample app, and we're just going to change a few things. We're going to take our interface or our GUI and we're going to add a couple things to it. Let's add another button. And the text of that's going to be add them up. We're going to add a couple text boxes. Text box 1 and text box 2. Okay, that's it for that. Let's go back to here. Well, what we're going to do now is we're going to reference another DLL file. We're going to get rid of that load. Let's go back to there real quick. Click on that. Bring up our code editor for a button click. First things first, let's create our other path. And this is real simple. Let's copy this one. Paste it. Now we obviously can't use the same name, so we'll name it path 2. The other DLL that we've added to our modules folder, or our other module, is my test DLL. .dll. My test DLL. Now we're going to copy all this code, paste it in our button 2 click event. Okay, now in order to use arguments will go right here where it says nothing. So first things first, let's go ahead and change this to args, because that's what we're going to dim here in a minute. Let's do this. Dim a as an integer equals convert to integer text box 1.text. Let's copy that. Paste, change that to B, change that to 2. Okay, now we're going to dim args as an object equals A and B. Alright, there's our args now. We're also going to add dim result as string equals our invoke method, and we're going to have message box our result. Now we also have to change the path to path 2 to reference our my test DLL, and we've got to change a class name, which I know for a fact is module 4, and our method in module 4 to add everything is add it all. So let's go ahead and give this a shot now. Well, let's see if this works. Yep, this is what we can do with a custom DLL. Now let's add up, I don't know, 21 and 99 should give us 120, correct? There it is, 120. I don't know, let's add 2,159 plus 9,999. 12,158. That's how you use arguments. Real simple. Dim what you want it to be. Create it as an object or a string or whatever you want it to be. Make sure you're referencing the correct path, class name and method. Your arguments are there, A and B, and you can get your results. That's how that works.